Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on Baseus CCGAN100US 100W USB-C charger. Product parameter. Hacking list. Parts description. Charging. This product is a 100 watts travel charger made of a new semiconductor material GaN. The product has a small size, rich interfaces, 2C2U, complete fast charging protocols, and supports QC4+, PD 3.0, QC 3.0, QC 2.0, SCP, FCP, AFC, PE+, etc. The maximum output power of Type C1 and Type C2 is 100 watts when they are used separately, 20 volts, 5A, which can provide full-speed fast charging for most laptops. When Type C1 or Type C2 and USB 1 or USB 2 ports are charged at the same time, 95 watts output power can still be supported, which can provide the same speed fast charging for Apple laptops. At the same time, it can support fast charging for Huawei 22.5 watts, Samsung 45 watts, Xiaomi 27 watts, and other mobile phones, which can achieve fast charging for most mobile phones and laptops. Products built-in overcurrent, overvoltage, temperature protection, and other multiple safety protection circuits. Use environment. Electronic information. Tips. Please read all instructions and warnings before using this product. Non-standard use will damage the product or personal safety. Features. Troubleshooting. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.